Okay, it's Wednesday, January 4th. Just following up on Netflix. You can see here if they're buying it at the first bar, at the blue line, at about 299.90. It kind of held, paused a little bit on bar number 2, held the midpoint of the first bar. Now we started up on bar 3. So at this point, you set up a no-risk trade. You could scale out. You could take short-term profits. There's definitely a target here on the daily chart to kind of work its way up towards this gap. I think the high is the low, the start of the gap's 303 area. So we'll see if that happens. But anyway, it's a no risk trade right now. It's a little choppy, hard to say if we're going to follow through. The stop here is the midpoint of the, first bar. So if you want to kind of scale out up here and then set your break even to there, you can do that in case this bar fails. But we're getting a little follow through. It's just hard to say, I'm looking at the SPY and I see that kind of failing a little bit to kind of break out above its pre-market high. It hasn't had a red bar yet, so I don't really know what's going to happen with this pause area. But your Netflix choppy, but to the upside with some targets above. So now you're here at no risk to kind of, with a break-even stop kind of in that area, and you can scale out up here and see if we work our way up higher into that gap.